Everybody, we have an ace. I think it's a 60mm padlock. Here's the keyway. 1 second, guys. It's made in China. Yep, China. This was sent to me by WELC. Amazing padlock. It goes with my brinks. I have a brink similar to this. That's a 70mm, I'm sure. Guys, so that you guys can see there. Obviously, you can't see it as good as a Euro lock, but try and get you guys to see as much of it as possible. 1 second, guys. Sorry about this. I didn't have it set up because I had to show you the padlock. We've been picking challenge locks and repin locks for the last few days, so I decided to go ahead and have a go on a proper lock today. I'll be using my you can say hook picks, hook clone picks. There, you see how wobbly the cord is. So right to the back. 1 second. Just gotta get you guys. There we go. I'm using a homebrew tension wrench, one of my favorites. I'm gonna look for that fault set first. So we're just gonna go in and just yeah, got a fault set. Little bit of one anyway. There, I got a bigger fault set on pin, I'd say that would be 3. 2, 1. Got the back again. Sorry guys. Sometimes you can have the lock picked and the core doesn't like turning. There we go, see what I mean? It's in a fault set, a big dirty fault set. There you go, guys. Picked open. It was pin 1 all along, messing with us. Thank you very much, guys.